how are you all doing? I am your Nayan Bhushan. Today we'll learn about solar system. Solar system is made up of sun in the center and all the small objects moving around the sun in the path called orbit. This is an orbit. Those objects are planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. I made this model with the help of my mom. Come, let's see the model. This is the sun. This is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Come friends, let's learn more about solar system. There are 2 types of planets. Primary planets, dwarf planets. There are 8 primary planets and 5 dwarf planets. One is Pluto. In primary planets, there are 2 types. Rocky planets, gas planets. Rocky planets are 4. Gas planets are 4. Planets which are close to the sun, they are rocky planets. These 4 are rocky planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are rocky planets. After Mars, there is an asteroid belt which is populated with millions of rocky objects. This is the asteroid belt. Next 4 are gas planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These gas planets are big and giant, but they are very lightweight because they are filled with gas, helium and hydrogen. Come, let's walk through the planets. The rocket is ready. Sweet! Now let's learn about Mercury. Mercury is the first planet in solar system. It is a small rocky planet. It is the first planet to revolve around the sun. The speed is 50 kilometers per second. It takes 88 Earth days to revolve around the sun. The Mercury is so small planet that 3 Mercuries will fit in one Earth. There is no atmosphere, means no weather and no water in Mercury. The temperature at noon is 427 degrees. So hot. At night, it is minus 173 degrees. Extremely cool. Only 2 spacecrafts have visited Mercury because it is very difficult to reach Mercury because it is close to sun. Now let's learn about Venus. Venus is the second planet in solar system. Venus is close to our Earth. Venus and Earth look like same size. See, so we'll call Venus as Earth's twin. Venus takes 225 Earth days to revolve the sun. Because of high temperature, satellites couldn't sustain there more than 2 to 3 hours. Now, Earth. Earth is our planet. Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. 70% of Earth's surface is filled with water. Earth is formed around 4.5 billion years ago. It takes 365 days to revolve around the sun. 149.6 million kilometers far from the sun. sun rays takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. It is believed that Earth is the only one planet which supports life. Friends, now let's learn about day and night. Friends, assume this is our Earth. Earth revolves in its axis for 24 hours. Means one day. Half part of Earth will expose to sun, so that half part is day. Another part is night. This is how day and night change. If it is day in India, in USA it is night. Earth has one natural satellite, that is Moon. Moon takes 27 days to revolve around Earth one time. Friends, do you know sun rays contains ultraviolet rays which damages our body? Don't worry friends, there is a layer surrounded our Earth. That is ozone layer. Ozone layer protects from ultraviolet rays. Ozone layer is made up of oxygen. One sad thing is, due to air pollution like burning crackers and many more, is causing damage to ozone layer, which in turn ultraviolet rays is damaging our skin. So we need to save our ozone layer. How? Friends, you might have heard many people saying that grow more trees, grow more trees. Do you know why? Because trees consume carbon dioxide and leave oxygen, which makes our ozone layer strong. Avoid air pollution, grow more trees, save our Earth, be happy. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet in the solar system. Mars is the last rocky planet. It is between Earth and Jupiter. Friends, see, what is the color of Mars? It is reddish orange. So it is called the red planet. Even though it is a red planet, it is the coolest planet than Earth. The average temperature is minus 55 degrees, the 6 times smaller than our Earth. It takes 686 Earth days to revolve around the Sun. Mars is 227.9 million kilometers far from the Sun. Mars has 2 moons. They are Phobos, Deimos. The surface of Mars is dry and dusty. It contains volcanoes and mountains. The biggest volcano in the solar system is present in Mars, that is Olympus Mons. It is 3 times bigger than our Mount Everest. Mars has wind and clouds just like our Earth. The atmosphere of Mars is filled with carbon dioxide, nitrogen, traces of water vapor, oxygen and hydrogen. Due to all this, there is a possibility of life. Scientists are working on it. Scientists have sent many satellites to know more about Mars. Hope one day we may go to Mars. Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet in the solar system. Jupiter is a giant gas planet. Jupiter is very lightweight because there is only gas in it. Its atmosphere is filled with hydrogen and helium. It has a great red spot. Friends, you know, more than 1,000 Earths can fit in Jupiter. See, it is such a large planet. Our Earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its axis, but Jupiter takes only 10 hours to rotate on its axis because it is lightweight. There is only gas in Jupiter. Our Earth has rocks. It is a rocky planet, so it takes time. It is 771.62 million kilometers far from the Sun. So it takes 4,333 Earth days to revolve around the Sun. See, it takes so many days because it is too far from the Sun. Jupiter is the only one planet which has more moons in the solar system. It has more than 66 known moons. The biggest moon is Ganymede. It is the biggest moon in the whole solar system. Till now we have learned Jupiter is the big planet, it is the fast planet, and it has more moons. This is all we learned about Jupiter. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet in the solar system. And it is the second large planet. Friends, see, it has its beautiful rings. This ring is made up of millions of ice, rock and dust particles. Galileo is the first person to discover this ring. We all know Galileo invented the telescope. Like Jupiter, Saturn is also a gas planet. Saturn's atmosphere is filled with hydrogen and helium. Saturn is 1.429 billion kilometers far from the Sun. So it takes 10,755 Earth days to revolve around the Sun. Sun rays takes 80 minutes to reach Saturn. Sun rays takes only 8 minutes to reach Earth. But here it takes 80 minutes due to its distance. Friends, you know, Saturn has 60 moons. The biggest moon is Titan. This is all we learned about Saturn. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet in the solar system. It is a gas planet. Its temperature is minus 216 degrees. It is one of the coldest planets. Friends, you know, it takes 84 Earth years to rotate around the Sun for one time. See how much long it is. Uranus is 2.961 billion kilometers far from the Sun. Sun rays takes 2 hours 39 minutes to reach Uranus. 2 hours. Uranus has 27 moons. This is all we learned about Uranus. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet in the solar system. It is the last gas planet. Its temperature is minus 218 degrees. Its atmosphere is filled with hydrogen, helium and methane, which gives its blue color. So it is called as blue planet. Neptune takes 165 Earth years to rotate around the Sun. Friends, see, it takes so long time. It is 4.5 billion kilometers far from the Sun. So sun rays takes 4 hours 9 minutes to reach Neptune. It has 14 moons. This is all we learned about Neptune. Hope we all learned about solar system. Now we are all familiar with the planets. We learned which is gas planets and rocky planets, how are the planets, what is about planets. Hope you all had a nice time. Thanks for watching my video.